Unraveling the Meaning of Frog's Eyes. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a quirky phrase that might catch you off guard: frog's eyes. Ever heard of it? Well, if not, you're in for a treat. This phrase isn't just about amphibian anatomy, it's a part of the colorful tapestry of English expressions. Let's hop right in and uncover its meaning and usage. The expression, frog's eyes, might sound peculiar, but it's part of English's rich repertoire of idiomatic expressions. While it's not the most common idiom out there, understanding its origin and meaning gives us a fascinating glimpse into how language evolves. When we talk about a frog's eyes, we're referring to the distinctive eyes of a frog, large, bulging, and often seen as watchful or alert. This literal interpretation can sometimes be used in creative language to describe something that resembles these unique features. In a figurative sense, frog's eyes can be used to describe someone who is surprised or has wide, open eyes. It's a playful way to paint a picture with words, capturing the look of someone who's astonished or keenly observant. Using frog's eyes in everyday conversation might get some smiles or curious looks. It's perfect for informal settings where you want to add some flavor to your language or describe someone's look in a humorous way. And that's a wrap on frog's eyes. Now, when you hear this phrase, you'll know just what it's all about. Whether you use it to describe someone's look of surprise or just to add some fun to your English, it's a great example of the language's creativity. Keep an eye out for more expressions, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of English.